In today's video, I will provide you with help to remove the new adware called PathwaySpan. PathwaySpan is the adware that actually belongs to the adload family, and this particular adware mainly targets Mac computers. It targets its browsers like Safari, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox primarily. But of course, mainly Safari is being under the attack. PathwaySpan adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this PathwaySpan was mistakenly installed to your Google Chrome or Safari, or Mac computer in general, you need to get rid of it. You need to access your applications, find this PathwaySpan adware, right click on it and move it to the trash. Now, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I would also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start investigating your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.